This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
A tracking pixel is a small JavaScript snippet that records page activity. Install the pixel to measure visitors, conversions, and ad performance accurately. First, create a pixel in your ad account and copy the pixel ID. Next, choose between manual code or tag manager installation on your site. You will need a pixel ID, access to your website code, and admin rights. Pixels collect page views, conversions, and custom events for ad optimization. Keep privacy requirements and cookie consent clear and visible for users. Place the pixel code in the site header before the closing /head tag. This ensures the pixel loads on every page immediately when visited. If you use Google Tag Manager, create one custom HTML tag with the pixel script. Set the trigger to all pages for site-wide tracking and publish the container. Add standard events like view content and purchase using the provided code snippets. Use your pixel ID inside each event snippet for accurate attribution and reporting. Use the Pixel Helper extension to verify installation and view fired events. Open your site in a new tab and perform actions you want to track while watching the helper. Test key actions with test events and check that values like 5 pass correctly. Watch the Events Manager for incoming event logs and real-time activity. Monitor the Events Manager for diagnostics and event deduplication status. Finally, review conversions and update event priorities for campaign optimization.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.